Hi everyone, so this person asked to see us at anchor and all the other ships around us. We're currently in Ningbo, it's on the eastern seaboard of China, just finishing up a 2-week quarantine before we head to dry dock. Right now there's about 100 vessels around us, ranging from fishing vessels, the Chinese fishing fleet, coastal vessels and other vessels waiting for dry dock or a berth. It's now 17:30, so I've been ready for dinner. Sunset's about to happen, so yeah, check it out.
Also, somebody sent in a question asking if we had, just like truckers, a radio where you could talk to other vessels and other sailors. We have 2 very high frequency radios which we use for both emergency and also primary and secondary internship with other vessels. But there are unofficial designated channels which you can go to have a chat with your countrymen. So for example, there's channels for Filipinos, Indians, Southern Indians, and sometimes even channels with local music. So great for if you're homesick.